Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to the friendly town of Stavely, Alberta, a charming community with a rich history and a beautiful natural setting. Stavely was named after John Stavely, a railway surveyor who played a key role in the development of the area. The town was established in the late 1800s when the Canadian Pacific Railway expanded into this region. The railway brought new opportunities for growth and development, and Stavely quickly became a hub for agriculture and local trade. Today, Stavely retains its small-town charm and offers a tranquil environment that appeals to both residents and visitors. Stavely is located in the southwestern part of Alberta, surrounded by rolling hills and expansive prairies. The area is known for its stunning landscapes and wide open spaces, providing a perfect backdrop for outdoor activities and appreciation of nature's beauty. The town's rich history is reflected in its well-preserved buildings and local landmarks. Stavely's downtown area features charming shops and historic structures that provide a glimpse into the town's past. Whether you're passing through or planning to stay a while, Stavely offers a unique and charming experience that captures the essence of small-town Alberta. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Stavely, Alberta.